On or around April 21st, were you asked by a supervisor why you had not yet completed a follow-up on S22-01779, which is a traffic complaint involving an alleged school bus violation involving reporting party Joseph Lamb and alleged violator Richard Travis at 817 Linden Road, Kohler, Wisconsin?
Do you have that report?
I do.
It sounds familiar, but I'd like to review the report. Thank you. Yeah. Scott, do you? Sure.
Can you please let me know which supervisor reached out to you regarding the status of this investigation?
I don't recall.
You don't recall?
No.
Okay.
Would have been one of the day shift supervisors, but I don't recall which one.
Did they reach out to you via email, or was it a face-to-face roll call? Do you remember specifics
I don't.
as to how they reached out to you?
No.
Next question is, what was your response to the supervisor? Not sure if you would know a response if you don't even recall the supervisor. I'm not trying to be...
Yeah,
but,
I don't recall any.
okay. This complaint was originally assigned to you on February 4th, 2022, and not completed until April 25th, 2022. Do you believe it should take nearly 3 months to investigate a school bus complaint?
No.
Okay. Why did it take approximately 3 months to complete a supplemental report?
The violation itself, by looking at the video, was actually not a violation. There was going to be no law enforcement action taken. It would have been just a teaching moment for the driver. And I guess I just was put on the back burner. I don't have a...
Okay. At roll call on April 25th, were you again asked about the status of this investigation?
I don't recall.
Don't recall.
No.
Okay. Did you complete your official supplement report shortly after being questioned about the status of your investigation?
What was the date I was asked in roll call? You stated?
I believe it was the 25th
Of
April.
Yeah. Yes.
Was there any type of event, incident, injury during that approximate 3 months that would have occupied your time and would have prevented you from following up on that complaint?
No.
With what we just discussed there, do you feel like you would be in violation of policy 320.5.7, parent A and B, efficiency?
Yes.
Do you feel like you should be disciplined for this violation?
No.
None at
all. I guess I would like to speak with Jim before I answer that question.
Okay.
Hey, can I just repeat the question so I have it?
Do you feel like you should be disciplined for this violation?
Okay.
Do you want to speak with Jim?
Yes.
Okay. There's an office out here that's not recorded where you can be.
Okay. Or
Talk
we
privately.
can go to Scott's office as well.
Yeah, wherever.
Okay.
What you'd have to be private.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
You betcha.
You want to re-ask the question for the video, or you just want me to answer?
I can just ask again.
Okay.
So you said you do feel you were in violation of policy 320.5.7 A and B efficiency. Do you feel you should be disciplined for this violation?
For this incident, no. Again, there's no violation that I saw on the video. So no law enforcement action is going to be taken. So if no law enforcement action is going to be taken, I don't think there should be discipline for, I guess, a case like this.
During the course of your duties as a deputy, you complete reports, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are the reports you complete always a law enforcement law violation? Are there things that you would complete reports on that would be informational reports?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ever make contact with the alleged violator in this incident?
I attempted a phone call and left a voicemail.
Okay. In your original narrative, completed approximately 2 days after you received the initial complaint, you reported that you attempted phone contact with the registered owner of the vehicle. How many times did you attempt telephone contact with the registered owner between February 4th and February 6th?
One time.
Once?
One time I recall, but I remember calling him, attempted to call.
What do you mean attempted to call?
Well, he didn't answer.
Okay. Is there a method you utilize or any types of records or documents that will help you provide an accurate answer as to how many times you attempted to contact and when you attempted to contact the registered owner?
Yes. I assume there's a phone log.
Okay, all right. Do you recall what telephone number you called to attempt contact with the registered owner?
It was a 920 see. I believe it was a 45 number. I don't know the actual 7 digits, but I think it started 92045.
Okay. Did you utilize your personal cell phone to attempt contact with the registered owner?
No.
Okay. Do you keep any types of notes for your complaint investigations?
Just my report.
Just your report? Okay. So no notebook, keep in the pocket,
No.
nothing like that? Okay. Did you document in your original narrative that you will still be contacting the registered owner as a teachable lesson in school bus safety?
Yes.
Did you ever leave a message or voicemail with the registered owner?
I don't recall. I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No.
Does your report say you left a voicemail or not?
It does not state that, no.
Okay.
It just stated there was no answer.
To the best of your ability, can you describe what the house looks like?
No.
In your supplemental narrative, you documented, I have been unable to contact both at the residence and via the phone. In the approximate 3 months you were assigned this complaint, have you ever called, radioed, messaged your dispatch center to let them know you?
No.
If you were to go to an address for follow-up during the normal course of your law enforcement duties, would you normally notify dispatch of your location?
Yes.
Are you aware of a policy, or were you ever trained or given a directive to contact your dispatch center with your location when you're at an address, on a call, or on follow-up? Did you ever request Kohler PD officer respond to assist you in attempting contact with the registered owner?
No.
Are the squads you operate equipped with GPS location devices?
Yes.
Are you aware that historical GPS location data for deputies and their squads is stored and can be reviewed?
Yes.
Have you ever used the GPS AVL feature in your squad to identify where your fellow deputies are located?
Yes.
Have you, since February 4th, 2022, written up, put in a work order, submitted a maintenance request, or informed your supervisor of any non-functioning GPS AVL devices in a squad you had operated while on patrol?
No.
On how many occasions did you go in Kohler in attempts to follow up with the registered owner in this school bus complaint?
0.
Why did you document in your report that you were unable to contact the registered owner at his residence when you never attempted contact at the registered owner's residence?
I don't know. I don't know why I wrote that.
Okay. So, with that said, is that report truthful and accurate?
No.
As a patrol deputy, are you aware that you are to complete truthful and accurate reports?
Yes.
Do you believe the citizens of your community can trust a law enforcement officer if that law enforcement officer has completed false and untrue police reports?
Yes.
You do believe they can trust?
Yes.
Okay. Do you believe that if a deputy is dishonest, that members of your community may think other deputies at the Sheboygan County Sheriff's Office could also be dishonest?
I can't judge what people think, but it's not. I don't know.
Why did you document in your report that you had attempted phone contact and contact at the residence?
Again, I answer that. I don't know.
Okay. Do you believe reporting untruthful and false information in the Sheriff's Office Records Management Program brings discredit to the office?
I think those are strong words. I don't know. Yes. I'll see. False reports. Just read that again. So I can answer it.
Do you believe reporting untruthful and false information in the Sheriff's Office Records Management Program brings discredit to the office?
Again, those are strong words, but in the way that's stated, I'll say yes.
Is it common for you to not follow up with an alleged violator or suspect involved in a complaint?
No.
Are you aware of any other complaints that you have not followed up on that should require law enforcement follow-up?
No.
Do you believe, as a sworn deputy, you are to thoroughly follow up on complaints involving public safety?
Yes.
Did you ever follow up with the reporting party in this complaint?
No.
Is it common for you to not follow up with a reporting party?
Yes.
Do you believe it is discourteous or disrespectful to not follow up on a formal complaint nor let the reporting party know the disposition of their complaint?
One more time, sir. I'm sorry.
That's fine. Do you believe it is discourteous or disrespectful to not follow up on a formal complaint nor let the reporting party know the disposition of their complaint?
No.
So, just so we're clear, you've never went to the house or made contact with the alleged violator in the school bus complaint?
Correct.
Correct. You believe you called and left a voicemail, but you're not sure?
I know I called.
You know you called.
I just don't remember if I left a voicemail.
Okay. If you were to, on another school bus complaint, if you were issued one today and you had the information with the alleged violator and you would reach out to them, where would you call them from? Would you call them from your squad car? Would you call them from the office? Would you stop at Quick Trip? Would you use your personal phone? I would hope not.
No, I use my department cell phone.
Okay. In reviewing your department's cell phone records, I wasn't able to locate anything where you called the alleged violator in this complaint.
Okay.
Okay. Just so you're aware that we looked at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I've also been provided with some information that the alleged violator and the in-house phone number that they have for this individual was never called from any county phone as well in the building.
Yeah, yes, sir. I understand what you're stating. Guess I need another minute with Jim before I answer. It's just a quick question, so.
Certainly.
Yep. Thank you, Lieutenant.
You betcha.
Read it one more time, please, and then we'll go from there.
I believe we were talking about the report,
Yep.
correct?
Yep.
I just want to make sure we're on the same page here, and I'm not trying to beat a dead horse or
Yep.
anything like that.
Yep.
Or be disrespectful by any means. That report is not true and accurate. Excuse me. A portion of this report is not true and accurate.
Correct.
Okay. And your policy requires your reports to be truthful and accurate, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So with that statement, do you believe you are in violation of policy regarding truthful and accurate reports?
Yes.
Okay.